see the blue for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jenny coming at you with another video. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing for you guys today is showing you the difference between powder contour and cream contour and what's the difference amongst bronzing. So like these two palettes right here are pretty much bronzers. What a bronzer is, you guys, is that they are more lighter toned browns that have shimmer in them. So if you see basically a powder brown that has a shimmer in it, then that means it's meant for bronzing, kind of giving you that sun-kissed look. In this case right here, these are meant to give you shadows. So for example, if you're trying to make your jawbones look more slim, your nose look more slim, that's what these palettes are used for. So let's get right to it. Okay, first I'm going to start off with the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. Okay, I'm going to be honest with you right off the bat. These lighter tone shades up here, you guys, I don't really use them very much, to be honest. I feel like they're too thick for the skin, so what I mainly use are these shades here on the bottom. As you can tell, they have like a grayish brown to look to them. As they don't look as brown as this one right here from the Too Faced bronzing palette, so that is why they give you a shadow, because they have more of a grayish undertone to them. Okay guys, so starting off with the cream contouring, what I'm going to do is take this center shade right here. Doing cream contouring is really fast, you guys. All you got to do is go down both sides of the nose, over the head, down the cheekbones like that, jawbone. You can go under your nose if you like. I really don't do that. These are additional steps. And then over the chin. Now with this specific palette, you guys, these top shades are really thick. So I would suggest using a face oil if you are using these top shades right here, or you can just use your everyday concealer, and that generally does the trick for giving you the lighter highlight. So since I'm showing an example of this palette, I will take a shade from this palette. So I will be taking this shade right here called Banana, and you just go straight down the nose. I normally draw a smiley face for the top part. Under the chin, you can add lighter shades right there if you want to, but that's generally going too far, and normally your eyes are already concealed. If your eyes aren't concealed, then just do the 2 dots right here and don't go crazy with the concealer. Okay, now what you can do is take your brush and you're gonna blend this all in, or you can even use a beauty blender sponge if you like. And that is basically how you would contour with a cream contour. You could take your bronzer here and just bronze up everything, put your blush, put your highlight, and you're basically done with your cream contour. And if you like, you can set it over with face powder, but keep in mind that when you do use face powder, that it will cause you to look older. So only put the face powder where you really need it on the face. Like you can probably put a little bit under your eyes to set the under eye concealer or the under eye contour, or whichever you did. So now let's move on to the powder contour. I'm just gonna put it right on top because it's gonna take me forever to like retake off my foundation and do the whole thing. So this is basically how the cream contour looks and blends. I really like the cream contour, you guys. It's so much faster, it's so much more convenient for me, but there's a lot of girls out there that prefer the powder contour as well, because sometimes maybe they have more oily skin, so they need that extra powder to kind of like soak it up. So let's try the powder one now. Okay, you guys, so now on to the powder contour right here. The thing with the powder contour, you are going to need brushes, so do keep that in mind if you are using powder contouring. You're going to need like a skinny brush, a blending brush, several different sizes, which is quite annoying to me, so that's why I don't use it. So you can use your beauty blender as well. You can just take different sides of your beauty blender and make sure that it's damp and just kind of start scoping out your face. If you want to be more precise, you can use a brush. So I'm going to take this shade called Banana, and since I already have my concealer on, that's just to give my face extra highlight. So I'm going to be putting that to set the under eye concealer. Not too much because I'm going to be blending this out. Alright, now if you want to further scope your shape with the lighter color, you can take that color Banana and you can come down on the sides right here. Just like that. I'm going to take this skinny brush that looks like this, and I'm going to take this center shade, and we're going to use that to contour our cheekbones. So I'm just going to kind of squeeze the brush a little bit and go right above that line that we did under. See? You're going to do the same thing to the other side. I'm squeezing the brush, coming right on in. Okay, I'm going to do that to my jawline. My forehead. You can go back to this skinny brush if you like, if you feel more confidence that it's going to give you a sharper look on your nose. Or you can just flatten this out like that with your fingers and kind of stamp it down. Just like that. But I will show you an example with this one as well. So you just kind of just start right here from the inner corner of your eye and just start sliding down. Then you're going to need to take your biggest fluffy brush and start blending all of this in. And look at that, you guys. Look how thin my nose freaking looks because I already contoured it once with the cream contour, and so now I went over it with the powder and my face looks freaking chiseled. So yeah, you guys, you know that contouring's no joke. It really freaking works. So as you can see, my nose totally looks skinny, way skinnier probably than the first starting of the video. So I actually forgot to tell you, so when you do blend these powders in, you first just want to blend it in with a clean brush, because if you take a regular face powder, like let's say that this was my shade, then all you're doing is covering up that contour that you're putting on your face. So once you blend it in as best to your ability, then you can take a translucent powder or the lightest shade in the contouring palette, or whichever shade is the lightest shade amongst it, and you can start buffing everything out and getting what you may have missed. So I'm gonna just take this lightest shade. If I felt like maybe I missed something on the jawline, I'm just gonna kind of go right in and buff my face out, but do not buff it out with the same color of your powder, because then you are losing all of that contour work that you did on your face. So yeah, you guys, honestly, I really do like both methods, but I'm always technically on the rush. So when I really do get serious and like for my makeup, then yeah, I will definitely go for the powder contour. only because I feel like it gives you more of a chiseled look. Cream contour, it does very much give you a very nice chisel look, but it gives you more of a natural nice chisel look. So it's not an over the top contour, unlike this one where you can really like obviously see like a difference immediately. It just takes a little bit longer to do. And yes, you guys, so I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am going to apply some lip gloss on my lips. FYI, this is my new roll-on lip gloss from Adore Me and More Cosmetics. This is Hubba Bubba Strawberry. So if you're a girl who likes bubblegum, especially the Hubba Bubbas, this is going to be for you. And I have a pina colada one and they're so amazing. They have sheer color to them, you guys. I absolutely love this stuff. It's so hydrating. Just look at that beautiful shade. Beautiful shade, am I right? And I really do hope you guys enjoy this video. I kind of just wanted to explain the two. What is the difference between a cream contour? What is the difference between a powder contour? And what is the difference between a bronzer? Okay, yes, I forgot to mention that. If you want to pretty much, you know, your face is already contoured out, right? So if you want to further give your face life because you feel like it's still dull, no problem. Grab your brush and then just start bronzing out your cheekbones like you would do like normal. And as you can see, I brought life back to my face. My face is not as white as it was before, and you could pretty much just put your blush and your highlight on top and you're good to go. And I hope this video helped you guys out on how to contour. If you guys want me to do like a really extremely slow video about it, just let me know. I can even show you how to get different face shapes, like if you want those cute you know, pop out cheeks, kind of like how Mariah Carey has, or if you just want that, you know, slim face look, there is different ways to contour on how to get those looks. So yes, you guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It is a small channel, but I really appreciate all your guys' support. And if you're a makeup lover like me, then please click that subscribe button. I am going to be having a 13 look makeup season, or I guess series, for Halloween coming up in October. So I do FX makeup as well, so I will be showing you guys step by step on how to do some cool Halloween easy looks, because who knows, maybe you still want to get dressed up for Halloween, even though we really can't do anything like that this year, but maybe in your area you're allowed to. So yes, subscribe to my channel and I will see you all on the next one. Okay, bye.